You use the internet all the time. Why not make money while doing so? Here are 6 ways that you can make money online. 1. Surveys. Isn't it crazy how you can earn cash just by scrolling and clicking? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, so just a minor tip: if someone is offering you thousands of dollars at once from something like surveys, it's more than likely a scam. This is a simple thing to do while you're bored, at home, and have nothing too major to be doing. You get your laptop off, or even your phone too, and you take surveys. If you're eligible for a survey, you get paid for it. Here are 3 sites that will pay you for taking surveys. Swagbucks.com, harrispoolonline.com, paidclub.org. Simple, easy, and something to do throughout the day. And remember, this is not a get-rich-quick promise. Good luck with your surveying. 2. Writing. If you're a lover of writing, this is just the thing for you. There are plenty of sites out there that are willing to pay you for your work. You can earn up to hundreds and thousands with lots of dedication and effort. It's something that takes time, so it builds up. If you're truly passionate about this, then you shouldn't mind it at all. What most of these sites do is they test out your skills by making you do a couple of sample writings, just to see where you're at and how you can connect with your audiences. If they approve, you get the job. Jobs like these tend to be based around freelancing, so if that's your forte, you should do fine. Here are a couple sites that pay people for writing. Fiverr.com, Clearvoice.com, freedomwithwriting.com. All 3 of these sites are willing to pay you for your writing skills. Try it out, it may just work for you. 3. Selling your items. Got any old items you really don't want these days? Let it go. There are sites with platforms just for people who want to sell their items. What you do is, you present your item online and people contact you if they want it or not. Then you discuss shipping methods. Always check the sites and follow directions. Sites that pay you to sell stuff. Amazon.com, Swap.com, Facebook.com. Remember, be safe and be careful. Good luck. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has to be one of the most well-known ways that people like to make money online. It takes work, time and effort. So if you are willing, this will work great for you. What you do is, you create a site for yourself. And with that site, you will generate traffic. From there, you can advertise a product directly or indirectly. You can place ads in your posts, around your posts, and you can sponsor for a company. It's best that you create ad-friendly content, things that will go well with the type of ads you're putting on there. You want a genuine audience because, with that, your chances could be more likely for traffic. 3 sites that are great for affiliate marketing. Blogger.com, WealthyAffiliate.com, Wix.com. Happy affiliate marketing. Good luck. 5. Call center jobs. If you're good with people, this may be a great way to earn cash. You answer phone calls and give customer service. You're likely to be answering questions that people have all over the world. So it's best you have lots of patience. Quiet spaces are highly recommended, as you can lose your job with a loud background. It's not considered professional. 3 call center sites. LiveOps.com, @.jobs web link, 1-800-flowers.com. 6. Blogging or vlogging. This is actually cool but frustrating at the beginning. What I mean is being a YouTuber. How you can actually get paid is when you have 1,000 subscribers. That is why many video you watch on YouTube chat will tell you to subscribe. Subscribing is free. You can do me a favor by trying it. So that concludes for me. 6 ways you can start earning online. Anything is possible, you can do it.